Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a sweep cut command is discuss here. And guys, today discuss here Solidworks lecture 29 is discuss here, and this command is a swept cut. Swept cut command is very useful and helpful command. Use a new create a design. And guys, at first open a SolidWorks software. Okay, this 3D body is a create here, already a create here, and this body is use a swept cut. Okay, guys, at first select any face. This face is a select here and draw a any profile. Select a sketch, okay, and normal, and select a any profile. Select here. Okay, this is a circle is a drawing here. Okay, this is a drawing a circle, and mention any dimension. Dimension is a okay, dimension is a 48. Okay, this is correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, and click a sweep cut. Sweep cut means at first already select a profile. Profile is already select here, and this is a path is select. Then click here, and this is a use a this. Okay, this is a path. Path is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. And first is a profile and second is path is select here, and this body is active. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. And okay, this body is a select a. Okay, this body is a select a color. Color is a this white color. This is easily see here. This is a correct. Okay, and this body is a normal, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, guys, sweep cut command is a discuss here, and this means some important command, some important point is learn here. Means cut a solid model by sweeping a close profile along and open a close path. Okay, 2 point is very important. First is closing profile, and second is a open a close path. Okay, first is a closing profile, and second point is a open a close path. 2 point is very important, and then sweep cut command is active. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Okay, guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.